Somehow, over the last 3 weekends, I found myself filming the same subjects and cutting the same video. Basically, I've made 3 3-minute reels over 3 weekends and then failed to publish them. All of these guys, the bright faces of my ragged flowers in the savage little garden in front of my porch here in October. The local bees are particularly grateful for these late bloomers. They are laying up stores for winter and aggressively chase every last speck of pollen, bumping each other aside, jostling, nudging. There's an anxiousness, a tension about the season, sort of like a ratcheting up of the news drip or the doom scroll. But that's a distraction, a narrative, just one way of behaving. If you look at it differently and pay attention to the small signs, there's another story being told. The days are fading to amber, the last molasses glow of warmth. But the human beings are as busy as these worker bees are. We all seem to be hustling and bustling more than ever here in the fall, making our incessant noises. As I try and slow down in the midst of the hustle and the tension, and pay attention to the light and the color and the scents of these fading days and their mellow warmth and their last hope, I'm reminded to take nothing for granted. Iktomi, the mother spider, weaves her web of fate here in the amber days of autumn.
Be well, my busy bees. Soon the long nights come.